For anyone in the world of fintech, online payments, or digital marketplaces, the name Lemonway is familiar. But who is behind the scenes fueling this company's growth? What kind of financial backing has made them a leader in their space? Let's dive into the investors and the funding that has shaped Lemonway. Lemonway, a pan-European payment institution, has raised a total of about 50 million euros in funding. This capital came from two significant rounds. The first was a Series A round in 2018, and the second was a Series B round in 2019. The investors are a group of specialized venture capital funds that have a keen eye for fintech. The 2018 Series A round of 10 million euros was led by Briga Capital, with participation from Speed Invest. Both of these firms are well known for investing in promising European technology companies. The second and larger round was the 40 million euro Series B in 2019. This investment was led by Tosca Fund Asset Management, a London-based specialist in financial services. This funding marked a major milestone, allowing Lemonway to accelerate its expansion into new markets like the UK and Germany, as well as develop new products. So, Lemonway's main investors are Tosca Fund Asset Management, Briga, and Speed Invest. These strategic partnerships have provided the company with the capital and expertise needed to become a key player in the European payment landscape. From a small self-funded startup to a major fintech with a clear path to profitability, their story is a great example of how targeted investment can drive remarkable growth.